Lord, welcome back to another episode of the Journey Through Apostolic Successions. In Acts chapter 6, verse 6, it says, "They had these men stand before the apostles, who prayed and laid their hands on them." We see that the apostolic authority is transferred through the laying on of hands, or also known as ordination. The authority has transferred beyond the original 12 apostles as the church has grown. So today we hear about our 68th Pope in the journey through apostolic successions, Pope Adeodatus I. Some interesting facts about Pope Adeodatus. His papacy began on October 19, 615, and ended upon his death in 618. Boniface V would become the new pope after the death of Pope Adeodatus I. Pope Adeodatus I was close to the church because his father Stephen was a subdeacon. After hearing the call, he joined the church and served as a priest for 40 years, and he became a cardinal on October 15, 590. He was the first priest to be elected pope since John II in 533. Contributions of Pope Adeodatus I. He introduced the idea of using a papal seal, which later popes called papal bulls. Most know him as the man behind the concept of the papal seals. While Pope Boniface IV established a tradition that allowed the Pope to assign monks to open positions at the church, Pope Adeodatus instead had clergy fill those roles. He would also ordain 14 new priests and have them take on new roles within the church. In August 618, there was a tremendous earthquake in Rome, followed within months by a plague of leprosy. Adeodatus worked tirelessly for the poor and sick during the disaster, only to fall ill and die November 8th of that year. That day is remembered as his feast day. Pope St. Adeodatus I died on November 8th of 618 from natural causes. Orthodox Catholic Church and Eastern Orthodox Church named him a saint. The Church celebrates his legacy with an annual feast held on October 8th. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. For Christ and for the Church. God bless you all.